Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add text comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option, select. And here you will find this text option, add text comment, click here. Now click anywhere and type your text or paste text. See this text already pasted here. Now you can decrease this text comment box size. See this and double click on this text box and select text. You can increase text size and decrease line spacing, increase. Select here and move your text comment box. See this, and I'll say this text color, make it red color, and change text font size 8. And I'll get this up and see this our text comment already added here. You can reply this comment, you can add check mark, you can set this status, accept, cancel, and also you can edit this comment. And I'll add another text comment. Click on this add text comment and select and type text or paste here. And comment box increase and see this, select and text size, I do 6 font size and text color green. See this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.